How to change your first name on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your first name on Facebook mobile. First you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these 3 points here, and now go down until you find here this one, settings and privacy, and click on it, and then click settings, and now click this one, personal account information, and now click name, and here you can manage or change your first name on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. Please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.